Hi there. Welcome to my class. I am so excited to see you. In today's lesson, we will look at common nouns and proper nouns. Let's begin. A common noun is a generic name for a person, place, or a thing. A proper noun is a specific name for a person, place, or a thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital. Let's have a look. Common noun is girl. Proper noun is Sally. Common noun is grandpa. Proper noun is Peter. Common noun is baby. A proper noun is Lauren. A common noun is hospital. A proper noun is Trillium Hospital. A common noun is school. A proper noun is Bloom Academy. Great work! Now it's your turn to practice. I have two brothers. Can you find a common noun in this sentence? That's right. Brothers is a common noun. My mom's name is Emma. Can you find the proper noun in this sentence? You got it. Emma is a proper noun. Good job. I live in a city called Toronto. Can you find one common noun and one proper noun in this sentence? Go ahead. That's it. City is a common noun. Toronto is a proper noun. Great work. I have a bird named Benji. Can you find one common noun and one proper noun in this sentence? You got it. Bird is a common noun. Benji is a proper noun. That will be all for today. You did wonderful. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I can recognize common nouns. I can recognize proper nouns.